Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a sanitary, all stainless steel as you can see, tabletop piston filler. It's a single piston. The manufacturer rates it from 30 to 300 ml. It's foot pedal operated, operating on 120 control volts, single phase. Does require air as you can see. Has a no drip nozzle feature here, all sanitary connections. Has an e-stop, power on and off, and as I mentioned, the manual automatic function. The automatic function, it would just continue cycling. I'm going to demonstrate right now for you here. It has a single piston shot. It's only designed for water and light fluids. When we introduce heavy fluids into the machine, it had a little difficulty maintaining accuracy. The unit has an adjustable stroke, and you'll see on the side of the air cylinder, there's an adjustable, right here you rotate this, you move the sensor up and down, controls the amount of volume being out to here, being the full stroke. Here's a look at that. So, it fills in a matter of seconds. We're filling in about 1/3 the capacity. We have lots of fillers like this in our stock for cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, food products. We have some that are all air operated as well. We have about 10 in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com.